Hi there, let's talk about Colorance, the ammonia-free, shine-infusing Demi-Permanent cream hair color. It's the color for everyone that perfectly colors and repairs in just one step. For every stylist, every client, and every servant. Why is Colorance so great? It's the go-to color for just about everything, as Colorance offers a full portfolio that gives you everything you need to create shiny, healthy-looking, and vibrant color for everyone. And the good thing, it lasts for up to 25 washes. With Colorance cream hair color, you can also achieve up to 50% gray blending without ever looking artificial. Utilize the comprehensive assortment from natural to fashionable or counteracting. Why is Colorance so caring? Well, we all know, the healthier the hair, the more beautiful and shiny the color result will be. The basis for this is balanced lipid levels inside the hair. The pH-balanced Colorance formula with integrated intralipid technology effectively repairs the hair structure by regenerating up to 70% lost lipids. The intralipid technology is a special lipid patented by Cal. How does it work? Let me show you the easy measuring and mixing. Always with 2:1 mixing ratio. Always use 2% System Developer Lotion. The new 2% System Developer Lotion is specially designed for Colorance core shades to create intensive, long-lasting color results with outstanding brilliance and shine. It comes with Bond Pro Plus technology for even more care and protection. It's really that easy. Decide on the formula, mix it, apply it, rinse it. Did you know? The airtight can system offers minimal oxidative waste and a shelf life of 3 years. Use Goldwell Depot can system for easy and accurate measuring and mixing to prevent mixing too much color and thus reduce product waste and use. And here are some tips for you. Carry out 25 minutes processing time for full performance. For lighter results, adjust processing time to 5 to 10 minutes. Illuminate it. Add pure pigments to your color mask for multidimensional tone reflections. Or use Colorance Clear to reduce color depth and to create very soft blonde shades. When using creative foil or freehand techniques, add system thickener and apply with brush and bowl. Colorance delivers the most versatile color service opportunities. You can do everything, no matter if you want to boost and brighten, tone and refine, add high gloss shine, or illuminate your hair color. Colorance can be used in almost every hair color service. Total Versatility opens up endless possibilities for your service menu. We have great news about Colorance. All Colorance products and system developer lotions are climate neutral. Their CO2 emission is offset via an equivalent support of a CO2 climate protection project. Check out climatepartner.com. Talk about sustainability with your clients as well. For more information about sustainability, please visit us at cowsalondivision.com. For more information, get ready for your digital inspiration anytime, anywhere. Watch more videos on Goldwell Education Plus YouTube channel or download the Goldwell Education Plus app. See you there.